You didn't come this far to disappear into outdated clothes or hide behind trends that don't serve you. At this stage, your style should reflect the confidence and clarity you've earned, not dull it. Yet many women over 50 unknowingly hold on to fashion habits that quietly undermine their elegance. This video reveals point 14 style mistakes elegant women over 50 never make, and how you can avoid them with grace and intention. Because style isn't about youth, it's about refinement, presence, and self-respect. If you're ready to elevate your wardrobe without sacrificing comfort or authenticity, let's begin. Mistake 1. Wearing clothes that no longer fit your shape. One of the quietest ways style begins to falter is by holding on to clothes that no longer honor your shape. Maybe it's that tailored blazer from a decade ago that now pulls at the shoulders, or the skirt that rides up just a little too high when you sit. You might not notice it immediately, but others do. Clothes that are too tight or too loose send a message that you're clinging to the past or unsure of who you are today. Instead, focus on fit, not size. A well-fitted garment, whether it's a softly draped blouse or a gently structured pant, brings out your best features with comfort and elegance. Tailoring is your secret weapon. A small adjustment at the waist or hem can completely transform how a piece feels and flatters. Your body has changed, and that's not a flaw, it's a journey. Dress for the woman you are now, not the one you used to be. That's where true elegance begins. Mistake 2. Over-relying on black for sophistication. Black is often seen as the ultimate go-to for elegance, but for women over 50, it can be a double-edged sword. While black may slim the figure and feel timeless, it can also drain color from your face, emphasize fine lines, and make you appear more severe than you intend, especially under harsh or natural light. Instead of defaulting to black, explore richer neutrals and flattering tones that bring warmth and radiance to your complexion. Deep navy, charcoal, taupe, soft camel, or even olive can soften your features while still maintaining sophistication. Jewel tones like emerald, sapphire, or burgundy add vibrancy without overwhelming the look. The goal isn't to eliminate black entirely, but to use it intentionally. If you love it, balance it with a silk scarf, a soft lipstick, or a textured fabric that reflects light. Elegance isn't about fading into the background. It's about being seen clearly, in your best light. Mistake 3. Choosing trend over timelessness. Trends come and go like seasons, but elegance lasts. One of the easiest traps to fall into is trying to stay current by chasing every passing fashion trend. But the result is often a wardrobe full of pieces that don't reflect who you are, or worse, feel like you're trying to be someone else. Elegant women over 50 understand the power of timeless pieces. A beautifully cut blazer, a classic silk blouse, or a structured handbag speaks volumes without screaming for attention. These are the pieces that carry you year after year, pairing effortlessly with seasonal updates without losing their grace. That doesn't mean you have to reject trends entirely. Instead, choose wisely. A modern accessory, a fresh neckline, or an updated shoe can bring just enough edge without sacrificing refinement. Style after 50 isn't about trying to keep up. It's about setting your own rhythm. When you build around timeless essentials, you never look outdated. You look anchored. Mistake 4. Neglecting shoe quality and comfort. Nothing disrupts an elegant outfit faster than tired, outdated, or uncomfortable shoes. You could be wearing the most beautiful ensemble, but if your shoes are scuffed, ill-fitting, or out of sync with your overall look, the entire effect crumbles. Beyond appearance, shoes influence how you move, your posture, your stride, your confidence. Elegant women understand that quality footwear is non-negotiable. This doesn't mean painfully high heels or designer labels. It means choosing shoes that combine support, structure, and style. A well-crafted flat, a block-heeled boot, or a sleek loafer in leather or suede can ground your look and elevate your presence. Prioritize materials that breathe, soles that support, and shapes that complement your outfit without overpowering it. Comfort should be part of the elegance, not a trade-off, because when your shoes carry you with grace, every step becomes a statement. Mistake. 5. Wearing the wrong bra or underpinnings. Even the most stunning outfit can fall flat if the foundation isn't right. Ill-fitting bras, visible panty lines, or outdated shapewear can create lumps, gaps, or sagging where there shouldn't be. And yet, many women over 50 keep wearing the same undergarments they've had for years, out of habit, comfort, or simply not realizing the quiet damage they're doing to their silhouette. The truth is, your body changes, and your underpinnings should evolve with it. A properly fitted bra lifts not just your bust, but your posture and your confidence. Modern shapewear, when chosen thoughtfully, smooths without suffocating. And seamless, breathable fabrics help your clothes drape the way they were meant to. Invest in a professional bra fitting. Refresh your lingerie drawer with soft, supportive, well-made essentials. You don't need dozens, just a few that truly work with your wardrobe, because true elegance starts underneath. When your foundation supports you, everything else falls into place. Mistake 6. Mistaking expensive for elegant. It's a common misconception. The higher the price tag, the more stylish the look. But elegance has never been about cost. It's about intention, detail, and how a piece complements you. Expensive clothes can still overwhelm, fit poorly, or feel out of sync with your lifestyle. Conversely, a simple, affordable blouse, when well-fitted and thoughtfully styled, can radiate quiet luxury. Elegant women over 50 know how to curate, not just collect. They invest where it matters: fit, fabric, and versatility, rather than chasing designer logos. They mix high and low with ease, creating ensembles that feel personal and polished. Instead of asking, "How much did it cost?" ask, "Does it elevate me?" Look for clean lines, quality seams, flattering cuts, and fabrics that feel good on the skin. Sometimes elegance is as simple as a crisp white shirt, tailored trousers, and a well-loved leather bag. Because true style doesn't announce its price, it reveals your presence. Hanchitsaw. Mistake 7. Ignoring the power of tailoring. Most women don't have a perfect body, and that's exactly why tailoring is magic. Yet many over 50 overlook it, settling for garments that almost fit. A blazer that bunches at the shoulders, trousers that sag at the waist, or a dress that's just a bit too long. These subtle flaws can make an outfit feel unfinished, even frumpy. Elegant women don't wait for clothing to fit perfectly off the rack. They make it work for them. A quick nip at the waist, a raised hemline, or a shortened sleeve can turn an ordinary piece into something that looks made for you. Tailoring brings structure, polish, and confidence, and often costs less than you'd expect. When you tailor your clothes, you're not changing your body to suit fashion. You're shaping fashion to suit your real beautiful self. Because elegance doesn't shout, it's found in the quiet precision of a perfect fit. Mistake 8. Wearing clothing that lacks intention. Throwing on whatever's clean and convenient might work in a pinch. But over time, dressing without intention chips away at your presence. Outfits that feel random, mismatched, or just thrown together don't reflect the woman you've become. They can leave you feeling invisible, ungrounded, or out of alignment with how you want to move through the world. Elegant women don't dress by accident. They dress with purpose, even in their most casual moments. That doesn't mean overthinking every outfit. It means asking one simple question before you walk out the door. Does this reflect how I want to feel today? A crisp blouse instead of a stretched tee, a soft scarf to finish a simple dress, thoughtfully chosen earrings instead of skipping accessories altogether. These aren't grand gestures. They're gentle affirmations of self-worth. Because elegance isn't about effort, it's about awareness. When you dress with intention, you move through the day with quiet authority. 小多. Mistake 9. Outdated hair and makeup choices. Style doesn't stop at your clothes. Hair and makeup are powerful extensions of your presence, and when they stay frozen in time, they can unintentionally date your entire look. That high-volume hairstyle you've worn since the 90s, or the heavy eyeliner that once defined your eyes, may now be working against your natural beauty rather than enhancing it. Elegant women over 50 evolve their grooming as gracefully as their wardrobe. They understand that softness often flatters more than drama, and that subtle changes, a modern cut, a lighter brow, a creamy lipstick, can make all the difference. This doesn't mean abandoning what makes you feel like you. It means refining it. Consider a consultation with a trusted stylist or makeup artist who understands mature beauty. Try a low-maintenance cut with movement, or a tinted moisturizer that gives glow without heaviness. Because elegance isn't about erasing age, it's about letting your current beauty shine, without distractions from the past. Mistake 10. Overaccessorizing or underaccessorizing. Accessories are the punctuation marks of your outfit. They complete the sentence. But when overdone, they shout. When neglected, they leave your style hanging unfinished. Both extremes can distract from the effortless elegance you're aiming for. Too many accessories, layered necklaces, oversized earrings, bold bangles all at once, can feel chaotic and heavy. On the other hand, wearing none at all can leave even a beautiful outfit looking flat or forgettable. The key is balance. Elegant women over 50 master the art of subtle statement. A single pair of sculptural earrings, a silk scarf and a signature print, or a classic watch can anchor a look without overwhelming it. Accessories should echo your mood and enhance your outfit, not compete with it. Before you leave the house, take one last look and ask, what's adding beauty and what's just adding noise? Because true elegance whispers. It's not about how much you wear, but how intentionally you wear it. Mistake 11. Choosing the wrong fabrics. Fabric speaks before you do. It moves with you, catches the light, and determines how your clothes sit on your frame. Yet many women over 50 unknowingly rely on stiff, synthetic, or overly shiny materials that can look harsh, cling in unflattering ways, or feel uncomfortable against the skin. Elegance thrives in texture, breathability, and flow. Natural fabrics like cotton, silk, linen, wool, and soft blends not only look more refined, they feel better, age better, and flatter the body with quiet grace. They drape rather than cling, soften rather than stiffen, and allow you to move with ease. Pay attention to the tactile experience of your wardrobe. If something feels scratchy, plastic-like, or unbreathable, it's likely not serving your look or your comfort. Swap it for fabrics that breathe with you and reflect your inner softness and strength. Because elegance isn't just about how something looks, it's about how it feels. And comfort and beauty should never be a trade-off. Mistake 12. Ignoring the power of a signature piece. Think of the women whose style you remember instantly. Audrey's pearls, Carolina Herrera's crisp white shirts, Iris Apfel's bold glasses. What they all share is a signature piece, a detail that feels unmistakably theirs. Yet many women over 50 dress beautifully but forget to leave a lasting impression. A signature piece doesn't have to be loud. It could be a silk scarf in earthy tones, a structured handbag, a vintage brooch, or even a favorite red lip. The key is consistency. When woven naturally into your wardrobe, it becomes part of your identity, something quietly magnetic. Elegant women know that signature doesn't mean predictable. It means intentional. It's the detail that makes a simple outfit memorable and gives your style that personal edge, without saying a word. Don't be afraid to lean into something you love and make it yours. Because style isn't just about what you wear, it's about what you're remembered for. Mistake 13. Dressing too youthful or too frumpy. Style at 50 and beyond walks a powerful middle path, one that celebrates maturity without surrendering vibrancy. But it's easy to veer off course. Some women try too hard to look young, wearing miniskirts, trendy logos, or loud prints that overwhelm. Others swing the opposite way, drowning themselves in shapeless layers, dull colors, or outdated silhouettes in the name of comfort. Both extremes miss the point. True elegance lives in the balance, where sophistication meets ease, and where every piece reflects your present confidence, not your past or your fears. Instead of chasing youth, chase refinement. Trade busy prints for rich textures, choose structure over stiffness, fluid lines over frumpiness. Celebrate your body, but with grace, not exposure. Aim to look current, not younger, because you don't need to dress like your 30-year-old self, or like someone who's given up. You get to define this chapter on your terms, and when you do, you turn heads, not by shouting, but by standing tall. Mistake 14. Neglecting outerwear as a style statement. It's easy to forget how much impact your outerwear has until you see yourself reflected in a shop window, wearing a coat that doesn't match your elegance. Whether it's a bulky puffer thrown over a delicate dress or a faded trench that's lost its shape, outerwear can either elevate or erase your entire look. Elegant women over 50 see coats, jackets, and wraps not as afterthoughts, but as intentional layers of their style. A structured wool coat in camel or charcoal, a belted trench with crisp lines, or a tailored blazer in a textured tweed can act as both protection and punctuation. Invest in outerwear that speaks your style language. Choose pieces that drape well, flatter your frame, and feel aligned with what's underneath. It doesn't need to be flashy, just refined, clean, and considered. Because the first impression often happens before you've even taken your coat off, and elegance always begins at the door. Closing reflection. Style after 50 is not about reinvention. It's about realignment. It's the art of dressing in a way that honors who you've become, without apology and without compromise. Each of the mistakes we explored today isn't about right or wrong. It's about awareness. When you start paying attention to how your clothes make you feel, how they reflect your confidence, and how they move with your life, something shifts. You stop dressing for roles, trends, or expectations, and start dressing for you. Because elegance isn't about perfection. It's about presence. It's about walking into a room and knowing you belong there, not because of the brand you're wearing, but because of the calm, collected assurance behind your smile. When your wardrobe reflects that, every outfit becomes a mirror of your strength, your softness, your story. So if you've seen yourself in any of these moments, an outdated piece here, a forgotten detail there, don't worry. This isn't a list of rules, it's a gentle invitation. A chance to let go of what no longer serves you and step fully into the woman you are now, with style that feels effortless, authentic, and uniquely yours. Because after 50, you don't need to prove anything. You've already become the woman worth noticing. Now, it's just time to dress like it. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these style shifts spoke to you the most? Was there a mistake you realized you've been making? Or a tip you can't wait to try? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your journey might just inspire someone else. And if you're ready to take your style even further, be sure to check the description box. I've added helpful resources, wardrobe checklists, and links to a few of my favorite timeless pieces. If this video helped you feel more confident and aligned in your style journey, don't forget to subscribe and join this growing community of women redefining elegance on their own terms. Because this chapter, it might just be your most beautiful one yet.